Time is 8:30 a.m., 4th of September. Currently reporting from the N3, Pietermaritzburg and Durban bound near the Cliffdale Peacedale off-ramp, where a truck somehow lost control and plowed into multiple cars and trucks. Multiple casualties, more than 20, have sustained various injuries, with one patient sustaining critical injuries. He was severely entrapped in the wreckage as it lay on its roof, and the Red Line Response Rescue Unit used the jaws of life and other hydraulic equipment to cut him free. The Neck 7 aeromedical helicopter was called in to rapidly transport the critically injured patient, and the patient has just been freed, will be loaded into an awaiting helicopter before being transported to a nearby hospital for the further care that they require. The N3 has been closed in both directions, and the Pietermaritzburg bound carriageway will be closed for quite some time to allow emergency personnel to work and clear the scene. Once all of the injured have been transported from the scene, the recovery of the vehicles will begin. I would advise all motorists to avoid this area at all costs. The 4th of September, just after 8 a.m. in the morning, we're on the scene of this horrific multiple car and truck collision on the N3, affecting both bounds, but majority Pietermaritzburg bound, at the bottom of Key Ridge. Initial reports are that a truck somehow lost control and plowed into vehicles in front of him. As you can see, multiple vehicles are further down the road, and paramedics from ALS Paramedics as well as Red Line Rescue are trying to free a trapped driver in that overturned vehicle. The Neck 91 aeromedical helicopter has been called in to assist. At this stage, I can confirm more than 20 people have sustained multiple injuries ranging from minor to serious, and multiple ambulance services are on scene attending to the injured. As you can see, the damage and destruction that has been caused, the entire freeway, both bounds, has been closed to traffic, or the Maritzburg bound has been closed to allow emergency personnel to work safely, and the Durban bound carriageway has been closed to allow the Neck helicopter to enter. The helicopter's ETA is 10 minutes, and they will transport a critically injured patient from the scene to a level 1 facility for the urgent care that he requires. Just going to walk further down the road, and you can see all these vehicles that have been involved in this horrific collision, including multiple trucks and multiple cars. It's 8:45 on the 4th of September. The Neck 91 aeromedical helicopter has loaded the critically injured patients from the wreck you see in front of you, and is taking off for a level 1 trauma unit in the Pietermaritzburg area. As you can see, the scene is still busy. Both bounds are still closed to traffic, and breakdown personnel are working to clear the wreckages at the moment. The scene will be active for quite some time until the recoveries are complete. Traffic is not moving past the scene at the moment. RTI is in attendance, and once here, obviously it will be open to allow traffic to flow through again. I'd advise all motorists to avoid this area at all costs. This is the N3 near Peacevale, both Pietermaritzburg and Durban bound.